Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I also wanted to update you guys on my Coinbase crypto portfolio. As of right now, we're getting close to hitting 35K, but that's probably not like the one thing that I do hate about Coinbase is that it doesn't show your average cost of when you bought something, which kind of sucks because at this point I don't even know how much fucking profit I'm making, to be completely honest, or how much I've even added. But as of right now, I mean, obviously crypto is up, but the only reason we're hitting this almost 35K level is because I added 1,000 Cardano, 1,000 Polygon, and 1,000 to Chainlink, I think. And I also converted all of my Ethereum Classic into Polygon. So Matic, as of right now, is my biggest position at around $12,000 or so. And then it's Cardano at $8,000 right now, and then it's Chainlink at 338. I actually don't know what my bigger positions are. Typically, Stellar at 45, Basic Attention Token at 1,000. So I mean, they're roughly all kind of spread out. But I think as far as my biggest positions, it's gonna be ADA, Cardano, Chainlink, and Stellar. And I think those are probably gonna be the only ones that I'm gonna keep adding to longer term. But yeah, I mean, also to update you guys, yeah, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. I know it's been going up, but like I told you guys before, I still think it's gonna drop back down to at least like the 30K, 25K mark. I'm still bearish, just letting you guys know.